first step, Sean, is we need to put the base up.
Oh.
And
first step is we have to mess it up because
Because it can't cheat, I guess.
you can't see it.
Start crying.
another clue is
Ooh, a clue. I've never done it either. So.
should be in the inside, not the outside.
Oh, okay. So it's an inner track. Okay.
And it has to be.
I'll do this side. You do that side. Yeah. Okay.
Was my tooth. Mommy, I want to do.
Where is it? Oh, you missed. Oh, here it is. Here it is.
Hey, let me do that.
Oh, there you go. Here's 3. Oh, wait, this one. Oh, no, that's right.
Here's, where's your, oh, here's your plate. Wait.
Here it is.
Where's your,
Okay.
this is fun.
Mm-hmm.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork
Okay.
does indeed make the dream work.
5.
Teamwork makes the science work.
Teamwork does make the science. Most science is done via teamwork. Wait, is that a 6 or a 9?
Wait, it doesn't. Just kidding. Wait. There should be a
does it
9.
matter?
Oh, this is a 9 because as you can see, it has like.
Yes, it doesn't.
So all the numbers, I think we have to do it so that all the numbers are facing the same way.
I don't know.
So like
When I do
the
it,
4 is upside down.
I just realized.
Oh, but then the track has to be on the inside. Maybe flip it.
Wait, maybe
Like this.
maybe I have the wrong. Oh.
It's on both sides.
Oh.
Okay.
Not me being silly Willy.
And then, so that was 3, 4, 5.
Wait,
6.
I didn't have my 5 yet.
Oh, here's your 5. And then we get your 6.
6 we need to, oh, this is a 9 that you
I think this is a 6.
Maybe we could just
Right here.
yeah, this is probably a 6.
Here's a 7.
And then we got a 7
7, 11. Actually, we do go up to 11. 11 is the peak, it looks like.
11. Yup.
Okay. So this 9 has to come over. Is there
And
another
then
9?
here's
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you have
Then you can do the last 3.
No, wait, we both have to put our 10s.
Okay, you're right.
Wait, why is this 10 a different color?
Probably it got lost and we had to make a new one, you know. Oh, but this one's upside down. So flip it like that.
And then 11.
Ready?
11 slides down to
Oh my gosh.
position.
Okay. Are you ready?
Are you ready for the big reveal?
You ready?
So you bring it up then.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, be careful, be careful.
Okay.
Okay.
And then,
Stabilized.
do you think it's gonna work?
I'm very fast.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's the St. Louis Arch, baby! That's the St. Louis Arch!
High five, high five!
Yeah! Okay.
Terrible high five. Let's do a better one, right? Okay. Oh! That was actually much better. Good job.
Yeah!
I've never done this. This is so
Try
cool.
to gently poke it.
Gently poke it, gently poke it.